Ever seen a dog sneeze so dramatically it deserves an Oscar? Let's rank the funniest dog sneezes caught on camera. Number 3, the surprise attack. One sneeze, then a 5-second pause like, what just exploded in my face? Total confusion. 10-10 comedic timing. Number 2, the machine gun. Rapid-fire sneezes. Bert, 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 like the dog's trying to set a world record. Somebody give this pup a tissue sponsorship.
Are you okay?
Whoa.
Hit that like. If your dog sneezes louder than your dad, subscribe if you love dogs and comment a heart if you love Jesus. Number 1, the dramatic sneeze. You can see it coming, the squint, the head tilt, the build-up, then boom, full body commitment, pure performance art.